The Claude Code leak changed something. Within 48 hours, the community had already built OpenClaude, an open-source fork that lets you run the exact same coding assistant with GPT, Gemini, or a completely local model. No Anthropic API key required. The Claude Code leak didn't just expose Anthropic's internals, it unlocked something the community built in 48 hours. OpenClaude is an open-source fork built from the leaked source map. It replaces the Anthropic API backend with a model-agnostic layer. Same CLI, same /commands, same memory system, different model underneath. GPT 4.0, Gemini, or a fully local model via Ollama. Setup takes about 5 minutes. Install the fork, point it at your OpenAI key or your Ollama endpoint, and you're running. The config is dead simple. One line to switch models. We tested 3, Claude Sonnet, the original, GPT 4.0 via OpenAI, and Qwen 2.5 coder running locally on the machine. Here's where it gets interesting. Claude Sonnet runs about $3 per million tokens. GPT 4.0 cuts that roughly in half. And local? 0 per token, forever. We gave all 3 the same task. Refactor a real TypeScript module with tests. Claude finished in 47 seconds. GPT 4.0 took 52 seconds and got 95% of the way there. Missed one edge case in the type inference. Local Qwen took 3 minutes and needed 2 follow-up prompts. For simple tasks, boilerplate, documentation, small fixes, GPT 4.0 is basically indistinguishable from Claude at half the cost. For hard reasoning, you still want Claude. Local is the interesting one. Slower, less accurate, but completely private. Nothing leaves the machine. For personal projects and anything sensitive, that's worth something. 7 out of 10. The fork works. The model switching works. The /commands and memory system carry over cleanly. Use this if you're burning through API costs on repetitive tasks, or if you need local only. Skip it if you're doing complex architecture work. Claude's reasoning edge is real. The leak gave the community a blueprint. They shipped in 48 hours. We're going to keep building on it. Follow along. We build and break things every week.